Okay, so Junkyard Challenge, this is Hiroshi Swada, who's a postdoc at UCSD in engineering, and the event captain is Farhad Beg, who's a professor at UCSD in engineering and has done Mission Possible for years and is wonderful at doing these events. Well, the three of us sat down and chewed on this event for some time because it was just so hard to understand how we're going to physically manage it. So we're going to have 3 rooms. Room 1 you go to for impound. You put your stuff in impound. Then when you come to do the event on your scheduled time, you take your stuff out of impound, go into room 2 and do your construction. Then we're giving you 30 minutes for this construction. We have a choice between 30 and 40 minutes. We're giving you 30 minutes for this construction. Then if you have time and you can test it, then great. But if not, you can come back later and test it. Okay? It is just these, let me just say, these events, so many of them are written for competitions that have 14 teams total. They are not written for competitions that have 57 Division C teams. And I mean, it's just not reasonable. And so we're trying to make it as logical as possible. So now what do you want to tell them about it? No problem.
So we will have the mystery material. That's the
right, and there'll be a mystery material which they will provide, and then there is the only thing that we're requiring you to bring is a spring, and you must use it, and you must use the mystery material. Must be an important element of your construction. Yes?
I had a question from a parent. Is it possible to view the testing? Will there be parents?
No.
No. It'll be a closed event.
And the reason is that we're not doing it all at one time.
Okay.
We're doing it in several groups, and so we don't want everybody viewing the mystery material 3 sessions ahead and making their plans. Yeah.
How do you judge how the mystery material was used as an important thing or not? How do you know that it was used the right way?
If you take it out, does it work?
well, eventually we.
No. They're supposed to use the mystery material so that it's an integral part of their resulting device. Well, if you take it out and the thing doesn't work, then yeah. But if it's just hanging on the side, decorative, nah. Yeah.
Actually, Liz, you had said room 1 was for impound, room 2 is for construction, and then you said room 3, but you didn't say is that for testing?
Room 3 is for testing. So what we're going to do is Professor Beg will be in one room, Dr. Swada will be in another room, and then the to-be-announced 3rd person will be in another room. And I think we'll have a parent volunteer in charge of the impound room. But so one of them will be in charge of construction, another one will be in charge of testing. Okay, so we're trying to work with this unwieldy structure. It would work great if you only had 4 teams come. They construct, and everybody test, and you all go home. Yeah.
So what room did you have? 2 rooms I see on the maps you sent out today.
Right, and one of them says impound.
Right, that's
and the other one says Junkyard Challenge.
506.
Right. So go to the one that says Junkyard Challenge to begin with, and then they'll tell you where the other room is that you'll pick up your stuff, and don't worry. We put down when there's some events have several rooms of which you only see 1 or maybe 2. That's to keep you from being confused and sending your kids to the wrong rooms. So tell them to go to the room that's listed in the event schedule, and then somebody there will tell them if there's a different room that they're supposed to go to. Okay? And with this one, just tell them, cross your fingers. It could be fabulous. It could be insane. We don't know. Yeah, we think it's 50-50. Yeah. Anything else? Thank you. That was great.